What's up, everybody? Big Steve here. One love, one love, one love. Yo, today I'm making burritos, okay? So you start off with your rice, put it in the middle, come back, your vegetables. You see that? Woo! Then I do the plant-based meat. Over there. Then you put some of your cheese on it, if you like. Woo! Show you how to fold it. In, over, all the way over, under, squeeze, roll. Then you got your napkin already there. Here you go. Put it to the side. 1 down, 5 to go. So you got your rice. You got your veggies. Plant-based meat. Don't forget your cheese. Now, if you didn't watch it last time, watch it. Almost like you folded in the middle. Bam. Take the back side up. Tuck it under. Roll. You see it? Bam. You got your paper already. Roll it up. Put it to the side. I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay? You got your rice. You got your veggies. You got your plant-based meat. And like I told you, if you like, you got your cheese. Okay, okay. There you go. Now, I'll show you how to roll it again. Fold it in. Almost, you keep your hands there. Back side, flip it up. Tuck it. See it? Roll. Bam. Put it to the side. Guaranteed they're gonna love it. All right? Peace and love. You already know. Thank God for the food. Thank God for the family. Keep us strong. Keep us together. Amen. Everything with God works. Things without God is too much harder. So add God into your life. Peace and love.